Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in this week's video, I decided I wanted to film like a sultry summer, makeup look. And oh my goodness, I was so in love with the way this turned out. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're trying to get some boys' hearts racing during this hot period of the summer, I suggest continue watching this video because I would say I did a very good job on this makeup look. So if you are trying to achieve that sexy, sultry summer makeup look, keep on watching this video. So I'm starting off with my eyebrows. I'm filling them in with the Rimel eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. Next up, I'm going with concealer. This is the LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows with the concealer. I'm going in with the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and I'm just using this to brush my eyebrow hairs to create more of a natural look. You guys know I'm all for natural eyebrows, even if they are penciled in. So now I'm moving on to my face. I'm starting off with the LA Pro Girl concealer again in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I'm just kind of like putting this all over my face, ready for foundation. I feel like this is the key to my foundation looking really smooth and lasting all day. I always get told my foundation just seems so smooth, and I feel like concealer is the one. Next, I'm going in with the NYX foundation in the shade Mocha. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I'm using my sponge just to kind of, blend that into my skin. And I kid you not, I always get told again my skin looks so flawless, my makeup doesn't look patchy, and it's because I spend so much time blending my foundation. Like honestly, literally maybe 5 minutes of my time just goes into blending, and I don't care how blended it already looks, I'm still going until I feel satisfied. So yeah, blend is the key to a great base. Next up, I'm going in with the highlighter, and this is the Maybelline Instant Age highlighter in the shade Caramel Christmas, and I'm just using this under my eyes to brighten them up a little bit. And I'm going to use the excess product on my cheek, just under my cheekbones as well, to kind of like highlight and further define my face structure. Next, I'm going with the banana setting powder, and this is the Primark Instagirl setting powder, and I'm just using this to set underneath my eyes. I don't bake, you guys know this, I just use it as powder to set the concealer. Taking the leftover product, and I'm just setting my eyes as well because they do crease in the folds sometimes, well, most times actually. Anyway, up next, I'm going back to my eyebrows. I'm using the Makeup Revolution foundation, and this is in the shade F13, and I'm using it just to further highlight underneath my eyebrows to give that, further defined sharp look. next I'm going with powder, and this is the Loreal super blendable powder, and this is in the shade Golden Cappuccino, and I'm just using this to kind of set all over my face. Up next, it's time for contouring, so I'm going with the PS My Perfect contour in the shade Chestnut, and I'm mixing it in with the Makeup Revolution contour in the shade C18. And I just love these two together. Honestly, I have not found a better like contour kind of like routine other than the one that I'm doing right now, and it just works so well. Like, I've been doing it for years and I just love it. Up next, it's now time for blush, and I'm going with the MAC Film Noir blush. This is one of my favorite blushes even. This is the only blush I actually own. Actually, no, it's not the only one, but it's the only one I really use, and I just love the color on my skin. So I'm just using powder now to kind of like blend it out a little bit because I felt like it was a little bit too harsh. So now up next, I'm going with highlighter, and I'm using the Petzke palette. And this is the first time I've actually used this palette. I didn't really like the way it looked on my skin tone. This was a palette I actually got from a friend of mine, and I just thought I'd try it out. But then I decided to go in and mix it up with my Makeup Revolution highlighter. You guys know my all-time favorite, and it gave me this really cool glowy look. So now I'm going in with eyeshadow. I'm just using this MUA kind of like brow kit that's so old I don't even know what it is, but it's an eyebrow kit, and I'm just using the brown as my base color on my eyelids. And then I'm going with the Primark Amber Passion palette as well, and I'm just using that color right there to fill in my lids. Okay, so now I'm going in with like a matte brown from the Color Grid eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that on the outer corners of my eyelids. And now I'm going in again with an angled brush, and I'm just taking the dark, a black eyeshadow, and I'm using that to line my eyes. And I'm really liking shadows as liners these days rather than actually going with liquid liner, because you can blend and it creates that really nice sultry smoky look. Next up, I'm going with mascara. You guys know I love this Revlon Ultimate All-in-One mascara, and it really does brush every single lash on my eyelids. And I really love it, and I go in with about 3 or 4 coats. I mean, I don't show this in the video, but I do go in with 3 or 4 coats just to get that extended lash look, and I love it. So now I'm going in with some false lashes. I'm using the Eldora H91 lashes. I love these lashes. They're amazing, and they kind of already create this natural foxy eye look. So yeah, they are my favorite lashes. I decided to go in with the Petzke palette again, just to further kind of like, I think I just wanted a more pigmented look on my lids. So I went in with this like pink shade. I can't remember the shade. I think it was 2 shades that I mixed. I'll put it on screen so you guys can see. And I just mixed it to create this like kind of like purple pinky kind of shimmer on my lids, which really brought the look to life. And oh my goodness, like wow, like I was so in love with the way it turned out. Yes, I'm feeling myself. Okay, lastly, I'm going with my lips. I'm using the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and this is my all-time favorite lip liner, and it's just so lovely for my skin tone. And then I'm going in with this Kiko lipstick. I have no idea what the color it is or the shade is. I literally just bought it, and that was that. And then I'm going in with my contour, and I'm just using it as a lip liner because I really love the browny warm tone of it, so I use that to further kind of like line my lips. Then I'm going with the NYX lip cream in the shade London. Okay, so lastly, to finish off the look, I'm going with the Essence lip gloss, and it's in the shade Nudes 2, and I completely love the way it complements like all the shades on my lips. So anyway, this is the end of the video. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this kind of sultry summer makeup look. I really enjoyed filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your thoughts and comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.